Okay, I just put this Druzy from Missouri in the oven for 3 hours, baking it. But I wasn't just baking Druzys, I was actually doing an oven cleaning, which I do once a year. So I did a big piece of Druzy and a small piece of Druzy. And as you can see, it did not turn colors, but as soon as I took it out of the oven, I dropped it in some cold water. And my thing was to see how much easier the calcite and the other metals or materials would come off. So a chunk of it already fallen off. And this is not the technique I usually use, but some of it came off earlier, so let's see. All right, let's see. Piece. So it's easier to break off. I usually use my pressure washer to do this, but I just wanted to prove that the heat and then the quick cooling does something to the settlements. You want to be wearing glasses when you do this. At first I couldn't do this with this needle. Yeah, that's coming off pretty easy. Look at that, that just fell off. Shut up. What? Yeah, hold on. And focus. Look at that, that just... Oops. Sorry for the light. There we go. So it is something with the heat and the quick cooling off that maybe expand or this material shrink and enlarge it, that probably breaks it up or make it more brittle. Oh, broke that off. All right. That was easier. Yep, I couldn't even do this with a knife earlier, so it is easier. That just broke right on off. It's probably a better tool I could use. Wow. Yep, I couldn't do none of this earlier. Look how brittle it is. So heating it for a long time, then quickly cooling it will make this brittle. Imagine after I use my wet, not saw, but my wet pressure washer, mini pressure washer, to get the rest of it out. But I just wanted to share this with people. Okay. Yep. Heat and cold water.